Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to increase your snap score really fast. So first of all, I want you guys to know what a snap score is. So I'm just gonna show you the authentic words that tell you what a snap score actually is. So I'm going to my support and I'm pressing I need help here, and I'm gonna search for snap score once it's loaded. Okay, here it is. I'm gonna search for snap score and press enter, and I can see, wait, where is it? uh it's not here. Give me a second. Snap, sorry, snap score. What is a snap score? Yep, press on that, and now you see it says your Snapchat score is determined by a super secret special equation that combines the number of snaps you've sent and received, the stories you've posted, and a couple of other factors. You can always check your Snapchat score under the name. So essentially what you guys need to know is that it's mostly dependent on the snaps that you're sending and receiving. So first of all, you guys, so now that we know what a snap score is, you should know the difference between a snap and a chat. For example, if you're sending something from your camera roll, that would count as a chat and not a snap, and that would not add to your snap score. So what we want to do is we want to send people snaps or receive snaps. So I'm gonna press my plus button here that we can see the options on the right, top right panel. I'm gonna press the plus here. I'm gonna select multi-snap, and now I'm just gonna tap, 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 tap. Right now 10 snaps have been captured. Right, 10 snaps have been captured. I can just go ahead and press the send to, select any shortcut, or you can always make your own shortcuts, and I could just select all of them, and basically all the friends that I have will receive 10 snaps each. So let's suppose I have 10 friends, I'm sending them 10 snaps, so my snap score will increase by 100 just by one simple trick. So that is how you can increase your snap score really fast. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.